Grace Church.
Hey, Grace Church. Hey, Grace Church.
Hey, Grace Church. Hey, Grace Church. Hey, Grace Church.
Hey, Grace Church. I can't believe it's almost camp time again.
I'm so excited. What do we usually do at camp?
What do we do?
We have fun.
We play games. Water games. Water games.
I can't wait. Stories, lots and lots of songs and dance, campfires. And the most important part is we spend time with other children from church. We become friends. We make friends. Lifelong friendships.
Lifelong friendship.
So what are you waiting for? Quickly sign your kids up for this camp. It's only 150 ringgit per child at El Central in Malacca. I can't wait.
We have fun. I'm so excited.